Welcome to Belix Designs and Home Solutions, where we bring out all our cleaning or household tips, suggestions on decoration, interior design, sourcing, and Airbnb. Please subscribe to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about this living room transformation for a client of mine that I've done. It's a good piece of work. It was, I did quite more than this, but we just showing the living room with the client's consent. Again, look at how dated the room was. It's got really, look at the curtains, the sofas on the right hand side of that. When I took out this video, it was done in the reverse way, so that's why you've got it quite small. So I hope you can see the sofas as well. You're going to see the transformation of the bed, the coffee table, and all the cables and the TV. So based on the client's budget, the client gave me a budget to work with and say you can bring something up, and I work with the client to select the theme of the room, and then maybe decide on how the room will look like. And I'm happy the clients actually loved it, which is quite good, and we are excited to kind of show you. If I open the door, you can see how the transformation is and the before and the after. Again, I've kind of, actually just make sure that I put some of the stuff and do all the wallpaper beforehand. Otherwise, it would have been a bit too much for me and too long a video. I wanted to trim it down a little bit so we can focus on the details a bit more. So yes, I'm going to biff it up with the cushions. So the theme was, the client wanted something neutral and I came up with it. So again, we, as a team work with the client, we got like a champagne or, greyish, sofa, and that sofa is, the whole idea is something that is durable. It's got a 20 years warranty, and also you can clean it easily when there's a spill on it, and it can blend with other stuff. So the cushions as well, you can see it blends with the curtains as well. Just one of those curtains, so it blends with the blind with the curtains. So just to biff it up, and again, you can put as many cushions as you like in your sofa, just to make it comfortable. Sofa is just not excessive, I would say. But yes, those are the curtains, a bit more neutral, just to go with the client's choice and the theme. Yes, I have selected some very modern sofas, contemporary, so which is quite different to what we had before, slightly really different. You're going to see how some of these have been reshuffled in terms of the deco and the pampers as well. So the reason it's black is because it blends with the frame. You can see the frame, you've got a bit of black and gold on the frame. Look at that. So it blends with the pampers, and again it just blends as well. So the neutral colors kind of work quite well. Put a bit of black on it. Yes, and I did this during the Christmas season, so which again you can see a lot of Christmas kind of decoration and flowers out there. So now I've got made to measure curtains. So those curtains are made to measure. You can see that it blends with the theme as well. It's blends with the blinds in there as well. So it's got a permel that kind of cover the tracks. So again, it kind of blends quite well with the wallpaper on your right there if you're looking at it on the wall. So the wallpaper is actually quite neutral as well. So the chairs are quite good. The swivel, so you can sit on there and relax a little bit. I'm going to show you how that moves in a second. But yes, those curtains are quite really heavy. They kind of go right down to the floor. You can do that because there's no radiator at the back, so you can make it drop a little bit. If you had a radiator, that wouldn't make sense. So you can see the curtains before and then the afterwards. So yes, again, this is really something really big transformation for the client, and she loved it and he also loved it. Again, the chairs are not too cumbersome. They are really quite small for space and give some more space in the room compared to before, rather than, how many sofas in the room. So we've reduced the numbers of sofas, buy the sofas that are not too cumbersome. Again, look at the carpet on the floor. It's bluish and it's easy to clean. You can put it on a wash. It's that washable carpet as well, so that has the whole theme of it, and the blue as well blends with everything in the room, so that has a baby color for it. So yes, if you wanted something like this, we can always recommend where to buy this. The chairs as well, again, you can sit on it and the swivel. Again, it gives you plenty of room. You can put a side table there or coffee table wherever you want and decorate it at any point. So yes, if you're loving it so far, please hit the subscribe button. And this is the room before again, just to give you a flair of how it looked with all the cables everywhere and, you know, two tides and the curtains as well. So now you can see a bit full picture of it. And we've taken all of that TV at the back off, taken out the cables, did a bit of work, and look at the artwork, keeping it simple, not too busy. We don't want too busy a room. Just keep it simple but classic and posh. Look at that radiator. It is beautiful. It's engineered to order. It's got the, you know, the mirror on it, easy to clean, well designed, and it fits the radiator easily, and it's very decorative. And you know, you can clean this using a microfiber. You just clean it, you just need to put water on it. You don't need to put water on it. It's got ventilation at the top to get the heat out, and also on the sides. It is beautiful, very luxury radiator. And we've got the TV on the wall. Before, again, it was actually sitting on a TV stand, just to create space. And this is our accent wall where the wallpaper is, and that wallpaper kind of blends quite well with the room, as I said before, and the carpet as well. So yes, I'm just going to move things around a little bit just to make sure it's a bit more organized. And yes, we can do with more of the decor. And again, some of this is based on budget. We go with the client's budget. So for this room, I would say because some of the things are bespoke, you're looking at between £6,000 to about £9,000 to get this room to this standard. If you were to include labor as well, say about 10,000, just to include the labor of, you know, putting all the wallpaper and drilling and moving stuff around and clearing some cables and stuff. So there's quite a bit of work done to bring it to this state. So, but if you're just buying the accessories or you don't have the made to order, and then yes, I would say you can probably reduce the price, you know, by a quarter, and that, I think that's a fair a price if you wanted something like this and it's durable. That are really classic stuff. So if you've loved it so far, please hit the subscribe button and please leave me some comments on our decoration and design work done by Belix Design and Home Solutions. So yes, again, you can see we've got a lot more space. I'll just kind of, you know, just walk through the room a little bit in a slow motion just for you to appreciate a bit of the work done. And I'll just whisk around a little bit for a finer view. And that's our Christmas decoration as well. Obviously, this is going to come off after Christmas, but this is just for us to, you know, put some decorative art on in there. Yes, so if you love it so far, you know, let me know what you think. And if you needed something like this, you can always reach out to Belix Designs. Look at that. Look at the blend of the curtains. And actually the curtains drop right down to the floor because it's bespoke. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share, and let me know what you think. And that is a final view, and contact us at belixdesign.co.uk for more of our work and also for any piece of work you want to do. Thank you.